Hello students, this is your 5th unit in EVS, Natural Resources. First of all, let us see what is a resource. Our earth consists of essential resources which support life: water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals, etc., which occur naturally on earth are called resources. These resources are necessary for all living organisms, including man. These are the most valuable things in the progress of mankind. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Let us see what are renewable resources. Resources that are continuously available over the period of human lifetime. These resources are called renewable resources. For example, solar energy, air, water, soil, forest, etc. Next, what are non-renewable resources? Resources which will run out due to their continuous usage are called non-renewable resources. For example, coal, petrol, diesel, and natural gas. Children, you have learnt about the types of natural resources. Let us now know about renewable resources in detail. See the first one, solar energy. Solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. Sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth. We get light and heat from the sun. In the previous lesson, we have studied that plants prepare their food using solar energy. Next, soil. We walk on soil. We live on soil. Soil is also a renewable resource like water and solar energy. Soil is necessary for the growth of plants. In the previous lesson, we have studied that plants get water and salts required to prepare their food from soil. Next, forest. Forests are the natural habitat of wild animals and birds. They provide the necessary food to the animals and many useful materials to man. For example, we get wood from forest which is used to make furniture. Next, we make medicines using the plants in the forest. Forests are the shelters for tribals. Forests prevent soil erosion. Next, conservation of forests. Conservation of forest means how to save forest. Forests can be conserved by restricting unnecessary felling of tree planting, proper usage of forest products, cutting down tree branches, causing forest fire, etc. The government has made amendment to National Forest Policy in 1988 and has taken many steps to conserve the forests. Children, you have learnt about renewable resources. Let us know about some non-renewable resources. See the first one, fuels. Fuels are substances which release heat and energy on burning. These fuels are formed by the remains of extinct plants and animals which were buried under the earth's crust over millions of years. The main fossil fuels are petroleum, natural gas, and coal. Let us study one by one. Petroleum. Petroleum is a liquid mineral formed beneath the earth. It is formed by the action of bacteria, heat and pressure on dead organisms buried under the layers of the rocks. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, etc. are the byproducts of petroleum. Next, natural gas. It is found with petroleum in petroleum wells. Compressed natural gas is used as an alternative fuel to petrol and diesel to run vehicles. Children, you have seen the use of cooking gas at home. This is called liquefied petroleum gas. It is obtained by refining petroleum or moist natural gas. Coal. Millions of years ago, the remains of plants and trees that were buried beneath the earth's crust did not decay completely. Due to the high temperature and pressure, they turned into coal under the layers of the rocks. This is used as fuel in the production of electricity. Mineral resources. Minerals are formed in the earth as a result of prolonged natural process. They are available along with rocks in the surface of the earth. Minerals are extracted in the form of ore and then refined in factories and metals are separated from them. For example, iron is separated from iron ore. Example of mineral resources are aluminium, silver, copper, etc. Children, here ends your 5th chapter. Thank you.